Today I'm going to show you how to make sticky clay slime. So the first thing you need is obviously glue. Then the next step is you need some water. Then you need some laundry detergent. When you're done that, you need to mix it. After you're done that step, just put in some clay. After you're done putting clay in, just mix and mix and mix. If it's not solidifying yet, just add some more detergent. When it's almost like until you, when you can almost play with it, just add some red food coloring. Or any color you want. When you add the food coloring, just start mixing. Since mine turned out really big, I put it into a different container. My slime is really sticky because I added too much water and I ran out of detergent. But if you do it right, you'll have nice clay slime. Well, it's like pretty good. Thank you for watching Light Stargazer Star. Subscribe, comment, and like this video. Hit the bell button for more Light Stargazer Star videos. See you next time.